The second section in chapter 11 will probably make a lot more sense now that we've done the first section. It's a very similar concept. Now we want to find the area of a sector. If this was pizza, we would find the area of the piece of pizza that we were eating. And so, for example, in this picture, they're asking you to find the area of the red portion and then find the area of the blue portion. These are called sectors. It's going to be the same concept of arc length, except this time we're going to find the portion of 360 that the arc or the angle measure is, and take that much of the total area. If this red part here where it says 120 degrees, that red shaded part almost looks like two pieces of pizza. But if I want to know the area of that, it's a certain percentage of the whole circle. And how much is it? Well, because the angle is 120, then what it is it's 120 out of 360, okay? Or it's 1/3 of the whole circle. And what is the area of the whole circle? Pi r squared. That's how we find it. So the area of the red part will be 1/3 of the radius is 14. Let's just verify that 14 times 14, yes, is 196. Would be 1/3 of 196 pi. All right. And remember, another way to write that is 196 pi over 3. Okay, we just simplify. 3 goes into itself once, and 3, whoops, does not actually go into. And then I'm looking at that. So we are going to leave the answer just like that. Unless it asks you for decimal form, then we can plug this in the calculator. 196 times pi divided by 3. All right. Now let's look at the blue portion. Interestingly, if this much is 120, then how much is this? All right, so that'd be 360 minus 120. So we would get 240. So the blue measure is 240. So to find the area of the rest of the pizza, so to speak, that's going to be 240 out of 360 times pi r squared again, which is 96. Let's write that correctly. 196 pi. We already calculated pi r squared. Okay. And then once again, we simplify. You could divide by 10 to knock off those zeros. And then maybe we can divide by 6 to get 4 over 6. Oops, I can go one more time, my fault. We can go 2/3 right here. So let me erase that. And divide by 12. Sorry, 12 goes into 24 twice, and 12 goes into 36 3 times. So we get 2/3 of 196 pi. All right, and so then we can multiply to finish this up. 196 times 2. So we have 392 pi over 3. Yikes, that is a yucky answer. But that would be your answer. And again, if it asks you to put it in decimal form, then that's just 392 pi divided by 3. All right, great job.